This is a management company. It's an apartment complex. Small apartment complex here in Scottsdale. We've checked it a couple of times and it keeps blowing or something. They can't figure out why. So we're gonna figure out if these elements are blown or not. And the breaker keeps tripping. It's not tripped right now, but that doesn't really look good. But we gotta check everything. So first of all, I'll take these off. And we'll go through all the electrical, and I'll be able to tell why this water heater is not heating. You know, I could have swore these things were pretty new, because I came here a few months back to put in all the bathtubs here, all the bathtub drains, bathtub and shower valves. This is like a 10-unit complex or something here in Scottsdale. I put in all these dug up the drains. I think 10 of them or 8 of them or something. Jackhammered the floor, dug up the drain. Put in a new tub, new shower valve, new everything. I didn't do these though, these water heaters. These are not my babies, so or else I would have been done right. Hey, don't mind me. I videotape everything.
Oh, no.
I got a GoPro on my head. I got a YouTube channel.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, that's how I was even figured out, you know, hey, should have said it, try this, try that. Let's check it on YouTube.
Yeah, so you can...
I never had an electric hot water heater before.
Oh, they're always gas? Where you from?
Yeah, well, here.
You're from Arizona?
Yeah, but I've always come across gas.
Uh-huh. Gas is actually better.
Yeah, is there a lot of, so there's a lot of electric ones?
Oh yeah, there's a lot of electric ones. Electric's okay, but
yeah.
Electricity's so expensive these days that it's like...
Yeah.
You know, I mean, gas is better. Gas gets hotter. It's cheaper. It's more efficient for what you pay for.
Yeah.
You know? So, alright, so here's what we'll do. I'm gonna take my meter and I'm gonna make sure this thing has voltage. See if it's getting an amp draw, see if it's got power right now. And I'll have you go to that breaker box. See if you can let's see, this one right here. Is it getting anything? Take this thing off. Nothing, huh? It's not getting anything.
Okay, well.
So let's see. Be very careful with this. It doesn't.
It's not getting anything. You think that breaker's just bad?
Could be.
Is it a possibility?
Man, that thing's fried too right there. Look at that. It's all crusty. Look at that. It's probably not getting good contact. Okay, so why don't you go over. Yeah, see, it's barely getting like 30 volts or something. Nothing.
You need to flip it?
Yeah, flip it off. Well, it's still got something. Well, let me see here. And it's not that one.
That's not that one. What kind of?
It's gonna be a dual. It's not gonna be a small one, a small skinny one. It's gonna be like a double. It's gonna be like a big fat one. Probably one of the three on the left. Nope.
No.
Yep, that one. That's the one. That's the one. Which one is that?
That's the second from the top on the left.
Okay. It's that one right there. Okay. So let's do this. Let's see if we can make it get some good contact. My life is a lot easier when I organize my tools, you know, but I haven't got enough time for that, man. I got too much stuff to do. But let's see, we'll clean up this wire a little bit. It looks like it got looks like it probably got some water inside of it because it's out here in the rain.
Yeah.
You know?
I wonder if that was an issue.
See, look at that. Look at that contact. It's not even. It's not even making contact. Look at all that
corrosion on there.
Yeah. So we'll shorten this puppy. See if we can give it some something good. They're all like that. Let's just clean them all up. Alright. Has to see what's going on.
Yeah.
Got to be involved in everything.
A little protective.
Yeah.
I think she's like a Rottweiler.
That's a funny dog. These dogs are funny. Okay, so we got a good connection on that one. Good connection on that one. Just twist them so we get a good twist, then we'll take it back off, and we'll test it. Okay, there we go. Yeah. All right. So now that we got these cleaned up, let's get these out of the way. Hey, you want to go flick it back on? No. Still only got 35 volts, man. That's weird.
What's it supposed to run at?
240?
Oh, wow.
So just over 10% of what it should. Bet you there's a short in this line right here somewhere. Or, because this whip, this flex is new. This is not an old flex. This is a new flex. I'll bet you they did something in the wall somewhere that's got nothing to do with
The hot water heater is probably great.
yeah, the hot water heater's fine. It's not getting any power to it. Barely any power. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, see, that's where it's supposed to be. Yeah, it's on this guy right here. That alternating current. Yeah. It's not getting nothing. 35 volts. See that?
Okay.
So they're gonna have to get a
Electrician
out here. Yep. Oh yeah.